to make at that point. Either you drop it, you decide this is not going to be possible, so we are not going to make this. But if you select that script and decide to make it, then you have to go all out and do it justice. So I have to tell you that Mohanlal sir and I, the moment we finished the first narration of the script, both of us were very aware that something like this is unheard of in Malayalam in terms of the scale, the canvas and everything.
That's what it is.
And I was half expecting sir to tell me, son, you have dreamt too big this time, so let us think of something else. But it is only because of his confidence. He is the one who told me, whatever you want, let's do this. It's only because of his confidence this film became possible. And every single penny that could be spent on making the film has been spent on making the film. Mohanlal sir and myself, we have not taken a single rupee from this film.
Fantastic. This is the width of comprehension you could draw from my question. You have answered it for almost for 3 minutes.
Like my trailer, yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And another important question.
One more.
Yes, one more.
Okay.
One more. See, you have made Lucifer.
Yeah.
That is a fantastic run in all the languages. Even that was witnessed by Telugu people also in Malayalam version. People loved it and liked it
thank you so
much.
Thank you so much.
Of course, all kudos to him.
Absolutely.
And now it is coming on a franchise model on the second part 2.
Yeah.
Was there any challenge for you as a director of the film to fabricate the second part, the line of the story, and evaluating his character, which was most loved by all the languages in the country?
Yeah.
Was there any challenge for you in the second part?
So I have to tell you that the second part of this franchise is not a sequel that was born out of the success of the first part. This was always envisioned as a 3-film franchise. We always had 3 films in mind to complete the story arc of this franchise. But the thing is, back in 2016, when my writer and myself first started conceiving the project, words like universe, franchise, part 1, part 2 and all were not very popular. When did Bahubali 1 release? 2006? Correct. So even before Bahubali 1 released, we had started thinking of this film. So back then if I had gone and told my producer, this is actually a universe with 3 films, he was mad, So because it was not very usual. We knew that if the part 1 did not work, there was no point in us saying, actually, we have a part 2 and part 3. Nobody will want to make it, right? So we actually divulged information on this being a franchise only on the day we were celebrating the success of part 1.
Fantastic.
That is when we said, we actually have a part 2 and part 3. Having said that, part 1 was finished at a point where if a part 2 and part 3 does not happen, it is still okay. You show a film, you tell a complete story, and then you finally finish off the film saying the character you saw all this while has another identity, and the film finishes there.
Yes.
With part 2, we have taken a big risk. I'll tell you what.
Yes, correct.
Because at the end of part 2, we finished this film at a point where now we have to do part 3. Yeah. Because
Rajgar, sir, మీరు మొన్నే తెలుగు ఫిల్మ్ ఇండస్ట్రీలో వన్ ఆఫ్ ది కాస్ట్లీయెస్ట్ ఫిల్మ్ గేమ్ చేంజర్ చేశారు. అలాగే ఇప్పుడు ప్రశాంత్ నీల్ గారితో లేకపోతే రకరకాల పెద్ద డైరెక్టర్స్తో చాలా పెద్ద సినిమాలు ప్లాన్ చేస్తున్నారు. మీకు మొత్తం సినిమా డైనమిక్స్ అంతా తెలుసు మన దగ్గర. అక్కడ మీ పక్కన కూర్చున్న ఇద్దరు కేరళ ఫిల్మ్ ఇండస్ట్రీ బిగ్గెస్ట్ బడ్జెట్ సినిమా తీసి వాళ్ళిద్దరే ఈ రోజుకి ₹1 కూడా తీసుకోలేదంట. మన ఇండస్ట్రీ ఈ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నుంచి ఏదైనా నేర్చుకోగలిగింది ఉందంటారా?
అంటే ఆల్రెడీ మీకు తెలుసో తెలియదు, రాజమౌళి గారి స్కూల్ అదే కదా. రాజమౌళి గారు ఈజ్ నాట్ టేకింగ్ ఎనీ రెమ్యునరేషన్, ఈజ్ ఓన్లీ ప్రాఫిట్ షేరింగ్.
ఓకే, ఇంకా చాలా మంది ఉన్నారు కదా.
ప్రశాంత్ నీల్ గారు కూడా సేమ్. అంటే ఒక్కొక్కరు స్టార్ట్ చేస్తే భారీ బడ్జెట్లు పెరుగుతున్నప్పుడు అందరు సేమ్ స్కూల్కి వస్తారు. ఐఎమ్ ఎక్స్పెక్టింగ్ షార్ట్ తెలుగు ఇండస్ట్రీ అందరు అదే స్కీమ్లో ఉంటారు.
గేమ్ చేంజర్లో కూడా అదే స్కీమ్ జరిగింది సార్.
ఎస్, గేమ్ చేంజర్ స్టార్ట్ అయినప్పుడు అదే స్కీమ్లో ఉంది.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
అంటే రాజుగారు కంటిన్యూ క్వశ్చన్ ఇక్కడ. రాజుగారు అంటే రెమ్యునరేషన్
ఒక్కని లూసిఫర్ 2 గురించి మాట్లాడకుండా టాపిక్
yes please questions on this film.
అబౌట్ లూసిఫర్.
సరే, ఓకే, లూసిఫర్ గురించి
గెస్ట్లు వాళ్ళు మనకు హైదరాబాద్ కు వచ్చిన గెస్ట్ల ముందట అనవసరమైన టాపిక్.
ఓకే దాన్ని నేను క్వశ్చన్ చేంజ్ చేసేసాను. అయితే ఇప్పుడు తెలుగులో పెద్ద బ్యానర్స్ నుంచి మ్యాడ్ కావచ్చు, రాబిన్ హుడ్ కూడా వస్తుంది. సో మలయాళ సినిమాకి థియేటర్లు ఎక్కువిచ్చే అవకాశాలు, హౌస్ఫుల్ కూడా నడుస్తున్నాయి. సో అవకాశం ఉంది. ఒక తెలుగు పర్సన్గా మీరు మలయాళ సినిమాకి ఎక్కువ ఎక్కువ స్కోప్ ఇచ్చే
మళ్ళీ
అవకాశం
అదే
ఉంది అని
మలయాళం ఇప్పుడు అలా అడిగితే మలయాళం తెలుగు అని సపరేట్ చేస్తారు. ఈ రోజు గ్లోబల్ సినిమా
Correct.
ఎక్కడ బాగుంటే అక్కడ చూస్తారు.
No. In my conversation, I told that we have the habit of accepting films from all over the state. Please try and watch my film.
Madam,
Yeah.
Madam, I distributed Salar in Kerala. Prithviraj Productions distributed KGF 2 in Kerala.
Great, sir.
So, so
See, I only went to for the release of Pushpa.
yeah,
This is a beautiful fraternity. Let us meet together and let us create beautiful movies. Yeah.
మోహన్ సార్ హ్యావ్ యూ
I will
సీన్
complete. నువ్వే అలిగావు కదా అన్ని పెద్ద ప్రొడక్షన్ హౌసే చేస్తున్నాయని. అన్ని ప్రొడక్షన్ హౌస్కు తెలుసు వాళ్ళ సినిమాలు ఎలా రిలీజ్ చేసుకోవాలని. నువ్వు దానిలో టెన్షన్ పడొద్దు, అక్కడ చిన్న వాళ్ళు ఎవరు లేరు.
Prithviraj sir.
No, even we want to see
Yeah.
Mr.
Yes.
Dilraju doing some Malayalam films. Yeah, let us do. This is a beautiful exchange of ideas and culture. So, you are also invited. Come.
yeah.
షూర్ సార్ మోహన్
Prithviraj sir.
సార్
Yeah.
మోహన్ సార్
Yeah.
వన్ క్వశ్చన్ సార్ యాక్చువల్లీ హ్యావ్ యూ సీన్ ఆడు జీవితం పృథ్వీరాజు సార్ ఆడు జీవితం
What a question.
No. Do you like పృథ్వీరాజు సార్ యాజ్ ఏ యాక్టర్ ఆర్ యాజ్ ఏ డైరెక్టర్?
I like Prithviraj as a person.
Sir, Prithviraj sir, actually Mohanlal sir is a legendary actor. Directing as such a hero, very difficult.
No.
I mean, if you have any one more scene, did you tell him any hesitate scene?
You know why some actors become legends? Because they are very easy to work with. The legends are the easiest actors to direct, actually. Mohanlal sir is the easiest actor to direct. Yeah.
Do you
Yeah.
think that I am
Yeah.
that complicated?
Yeah. So
Yeah, Pradesh sir.
Yes.
Lucifer is explosive of after release. So Lucifer 2 is the more explosive before its release.
Yeah.
The box office numbers are in record level before its release.
Yeah.
What's going on in your mind, sir? Both Mohanlal sir and Prithviraj Kenya.
No, we are very happy and we are very thankful that people are so excited about the second part of Lucifer. And what is even more exciting for us is that the advance bookings in Telugu, in Tamil, in Kannada, in Hindi, those are all really surprising for us. You know, so actually we knew that Lucifer 1 had a lot of love from people across the country, but we didn't expect it was such a. That's what I said when I spoke in the beginning, that these advance bookings are truly shocking even for us. And we are very thankful for it, and I really pray and hope that on 27th I would have lived up to your expectation. That's all.
Prithviraj sir. Sir, here.
Yeah, yes.
Sir, what is the biggest challenge while facing while making this film? Under huge action blocks, we are seeing the huge action blocks. What is the biggest challenge for you?
So like I said, at least for us in Kerala, we have never really tried something like this. And from the very beginning, I was very, very keen that I will not make this a studio film. This is not a film shot against green mats or inside studios. I was very keen that I will go to real locations and film everything for real. There is very little CGI in the film. All the explosions and the choppers and everything that you see in the film are all real. Which then meant that I had to travel around the world for almost 2 years to sort of finalize the locations where I could shoot this film. Like say, for example, we went to the US. One schedule of our film was in the US. Usually when a film goes to the US, what do you do? Like you shoot in a city, maybe 2 cities. So we went to the US with a big unit, because my cameraman does not use lights at all. Anyway, with a big unit, we went to the US and we started shooting near Albuquerque in Santa Fe, New Mexico. Then we went to Gilman Tunnels. Then we went to Arizona. Then we shifted to New Orleans. Then we shifted to Yuma White Sands. Then we shifted to New York, and we went to New Jersey. So can you imagine? And it's not like a 20-member unit. It's a big unit. We had to chart airlines, have special aircrafts and everything. So it was such a big logistical challenge. Then we went to the UK. And so when I'm dreaming, I can dream limitless. No. I wanted to close off the Waterloo Circle. I wanted to block off one whole tube line in London. The City and Waterloo line I wanted to close off for one day. And everyone, including the UK line producers who used to do these big Hindi English films, told me it is not possible. They said it is impossible, you can't do it. I went straight personally to the London Council Transport Office and I made a request and I told them that this is what. And they agreed to it. And we did. So things like that we never knew were possible. That was the biggest challenge. So 2 years it took us to set up the project. And actually we have only shot the film for 143 days. When I say only, for a film of this size, 143 days is not too bad, you know. So the shooting was very smooth because before that we could set up everything very well. Setting up was a big challenge. My cinematographer, myself, my assistants, we have traveled around the world for months on end.